Hello, my name is Pawan and this is my template multi-FX logo review. Thank you for your purchase, and in this video tutorial I want to show you how you can customize this project. Before we start replacing the logo, I want to show you in this composition, final render, Full HD, there is a layer controls, and if you come here in FX controls, you will see all these elements and color changers which you can use to change the look of the whole animation. Let's start seeing what each one of them is doing. First, there is the main color of the scene. Right now it's set to white blue. Let's change it to, let's say, hot red. You see how easy it is, and now it's changed in the entire animation. Okay, after the main color is the lens flares color. There is one flare here, and around the between 8 and 9 seconds, one more. You can change this color to, let's see how it's, let's make it something like bright yellow, and you're done with it. Okay, the project is called multi-FX because there is like you see multiple elements which reveals the logo. There is advanced lighting effect, there is sparks, there is light rays, and there is a reflection, there is a floor, background, and you can choose which one of these elements you want to use, which one you don't. And that's why is this control layer here, this panel is so handy. You can see there is even a checkbox for bars, black bars. If you want to have black bars, just with one click you can turn them on and off. There is lightnings. You see the checkbox just on and off, and you are turning all lightnings in the entire animation. There is a sparks, you can see it here. You can also turn them off or on, like you see here. There is more, just switch it on or off. The light rays, which is the CC radio blur effect, can be turned off as well, just with one click. And finally, there is a reflection and the floor here, which you can also turn off with only one click. Just remove this checkbox here and you have no longer a floor and reflection. It's entirely up to you, depends on how you want to look. After that, there is background colors. This is ramp effect. Let's say if our main color here is red, probably we should make it red, and for the end of the animation there is a black color and dark gray, which will turn to dark red. Okay, so it will match the look from the animation. Okay, there is also a logo glow. It's for this part of the animation here, between second 5 and 8. You can, if you see it's too much, you can also always turn it down to 0.2, or if it's less, then it's lower than you want, you can move it up to 0.6. Like I say, everything depends on you. Let's again play with the colors. You can choose any color you want. The colors are very bright because the composition is 16 bits, and the glow and the colors are looking really good. The lightings. Let's come here, for example, it turned to full resolution. Even with all these effects and the 16 bits composition, it's not hard for render animation. It took around 8, 10, 12 minutes to render the whole logo review. So what's left, there is here in the end you have a place for tagline. So let's go and change the tagline text here in edit tagline composition. I left here a ruler so you know where your text level have to be. Just select your text layer, double click and change the text. After you change it, here from the characters panel you can change the font. You can make it a little smaller or bigger, but just be sure to left it here above the ruler, so it can be in the center of the final composition. So now let's go to the final render and see. Here's our change text, and here in the controls panel we have tagline color. You can change this color from here. Let's pick up the red from here, maybe a little brighter. Okay. Alright, now let's move to replacing the logo. Let's go here to the project panel and let's import our logo. You will notice that there are two logo replace compositions. And why is that? First, that doesn't mean you can't use same logo